Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to sign up and set up your Mailchimp account. So first of all, you can start a free trial if you want. There's a pricing, which is like if you have 500 contacts, it's free, and then for 1 month, and then it's 1860. Now if you have more contacts, then it will be way pricier at the next month, but it's for free for the first one. It's if it's for email marketing. If it's for websites, then the pricing is different. You can sign up for free like so, and there's also transactional email. So I'm just gonna sign up for free now. You will need to enter your business email, username, and password. Now you will need to tell a little bit about yourself. So first name, last name, business name, and phone number if you want. I wouldn't add that. Now once you've done that, click next. Now you need to enter your business address. So after that, just click next. And now how do you sell to your customers? So you own your own website, marketplace, social media, and so on and so forth. I'm just gonna leave it to this. And what's your goal with Mailchimp? So for example, let's do this. Now, what are the most important features? Make sure to enter email templates if you will be using them, and maybe some automations. And you need to enter your website URL. I'm just going to skip it for now. And here is your account setup. So I'm just going to continue for free for the sake of this video. You need to choose the best option for you. And now your account is all set up. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.